12 Fact about the Bermuda Triangle. 1. The Devil's Triangle, also known as the Bermuda Triangle, is a popular myth centered around a loosely defined area in the western North Atlantic Ocean. It is said that numerous aircraft and ships have vanished under mysterious circumstances within this region. 2. The region is located in one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world, which contributes to the higher number of incidents and disappearances reported in the area. 3. The region is famous for its highly violent and unexpected storms, which form and dissipate rapidly. 4. Bermuda is a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors who are intrigued by its legends and mysteries. 5. The Bermuda Triangle covers an estimated area of 500,000 square miles, although its exact boundaries are not universally agreed upon. 6. The effects of the Bermuda Triangle are not limited to its designated boundaries and can be experienced outside of the triangle as well. 7. Whenever an aircraft or ship disappears within the triangle, its wreckage cannot be located. This is due to the presence of the Gulf Stream, which swiftly carries away the debris. 8. Over the past century, at least 1,000 lives have been lost in the Bermuda Triangle. On average, 4 aircraft and 20 yachts go missing each year. 9. The first recorded account of the Bermuda Triangle was by Christopher Columbus. In his journals, he mentioned that inside the triangle, the ship's compass ceased functioning, and he witnessed a fireball in the sky. 10. Witnesses have reported encountering electronic fog in the Bermuda Triangle, which some believe to be a tunnel for time travel. Pilot Bruce Gernon claims to have lost 28 minutes after flying through a cloud tunnel with time-warping properties. 11. The region is characterized by unpredictable weather patterns and the presence of strong currents caused by shallow areas and deep trenches in the ocean. These factors can bewilder even experienced sailors. 12. The Bermuda Triangle has always been associated with enigmatic phenomena. It is a place where people believe in alien abductions, strange disappearances, and ghostly apparitions, which naturally evokes apprehension when considering flying over it. The end. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel.